Now, we've done a lot of snorkeling in our year living in Thailand, but we can honestly say, hands down, that the Surin Islands have the best snorkeling that we've ever experienced. They have the most diverse and healthy coral we've ever seen, and the most fish. We even found Nemo. So amazing. So in this episode, we're going to show you what the Surin Islands have to offer, what to expect on your boat tour here, and be sure to stay till the end to see how much this fantastic experience costs. We are Kendra and David, an American couple who sold everything to travel the world and experience all it has to offer. The pandemic left us stranded in Thailand, but our journey is far from over. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow us throughout Thailand and throughout the world. Each new episode will help you imagine, plan, and live your travel dreams. So let's get started. We took this tour from Phuket, which involved a 5:30 a.m. pickup time and a 2-hour drive to the pier. We signed in and got our snorkel gear together. The good thing is the tour includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so you would definitely not go hungry. So the Surin Islands has two main islands, the North Surin Island and the South Surin Island. It takes about an hour and a half to get to the islands. Our first stop was South Surin Island to visit Morgan Village. Our first stop was the South Surin Island to visit Morgan Village. Morgan Village is made up of a tribe called the Morgan Sea Gypsies, who live on many of the islands throughout the Andaman Sea. This tribe really knows how to be one with the nature around them, even in the biggest of storms. When they saw signs of the big tsunami of 2004, the elders evacuated the village to higher ground, saving the lives of everyone in the village. The village was completely destroyed, but they rebuilt it here on the opposite side of the island. And it was so cool to see their village and hear their story.
So we're taking a walk through Morgan Village. It's pretty cool actually. There are a lot of bamboo huts here and a lot of artistry. I love it.
Now, the sale of their jewelry and their folk art is a big part of their income and a great way to support the locals of the Surin Islands. Then it was off to the first of 3 snorkel locations. We were really impressed by how diverse and how healthy the coral reef looked. It was so amazingly full of life and color. Little did we know, though, that this was not even the best snorkeling spot of the day. That would come at dive stop number 2. Our next stop, though, was North Surin Island for a little lunch and a little beach time. lunch, and I must say the snorkeling on Surin Island might be the best snorkeling we've had so far. What do you think?
Yeah, I had heard that the snorkeling was really great, probably one of the nicest places in the world, and especially in Thailand. It was true. I saw some amazing fish and some beautiful different colored corals that coral reefs that I've never seen before. So it was really a great experience.
After relaxing on the beach, it was time to get back on the boat and head to dive site number 2, our favorite for snorkeling. Here the fish were even more plentiful, and we got to see colorful purple starfish and purple coral reefs that were just gorgeous. I literally squealed when we found Nemo. These clownfish are so bright and colorful that it almost looks like they're glowing. Our tour guide was kind enough that she offered to dive down and get some extra video footage for us. I am so jealous of her ability to free dive so gracefully. I am determined to one day be able to dive as well as her. And just look at the footage from the dive. It's a totally different perspective when you're able to get that close to the coral and that close to the fish. I can't wait to be able to do this myself. David was so inspired that he decided to take off his vest and try free diving for the first time.
I saw our guides diving. It was so cool to watch them. I got inspired and I really wanted to try it for myself. I just wanted to get closer to the coral and closer to the fish and see what it would feel like.
You did it!
I did it. I'm going to try it one more time. You want to watch? Here we go.
I'm so proud of him. His first dive was so impressive.
Not bad.
Oh, good. I'm still too much of a scaredy cat to try that. That's Kendra. We finished exploring site number 2, finding another family of clownfish and so much more gorgeous marine life. Although the second dive site was definitely our favorite, we still enjoyed exploring the third site, finding new fish at every corner. really were blown away by all we got to see on this tour. 3 dives, 2 islands, and a fabulous time. This tour cost 2,600 baht, or about $82. And for such a fantastic experience, I definitely say it's worth it. So if you enjoyed seeing some of the best snorkeling in Thailand, please give the video a like and leave us a comment about whether you would take this tour for yourself. And be sure to hit that red subscribe button so you can follow our future travels through Thailand. Next stop, Khao Suk, and you don't want to miss it. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sharing and helping the channel to grow. And take care till next time.